Hi, this is my TP, and to start off, I'll show you the leaderboard, which right now has 5 names, and by the end, hopefully, it'll have more. So if you don't know how to play, you should start with tutorial, and the point of the game is to make the number 24. So the very first step of the tutorial literally tells you what to do, so you get the hang of it, which is 8 times 3. Then it asks you to do your own with your own set. So in this case, I know what to do. It's 6 times 1 plus times in parentheses 2 plus 1, which will give you 24. But let's say you didn't, and if you wanted to start with the number 3, let's say, it will tell you, no, start with 1. That's a better way to go about it. Also, if you were to become very plus sign heavy, in the sense that that's all you used, it would tell you don't do that. And it would do that for all of these things. So if you really had no idea what to do, it would tell you that all you need to solve this is multiplication and addition. Start with the number 1, and it'll give you half the answer. So, um, as I said before, I knew what to do, but this is how you would get the answer. And now once you've proved that you know how to play, you can go on. Enter a username, I'll do Adam. Basic is the same as what we just did, except it only gets 3 cards so that you can rack up points so you have hints to use later on, which is what I'm doing right now. In this case, so now I've got 120 points. That's 3 cards. Standard is the same as the tutorial. I won't go through that. Advanced, you can pick your own number. Let's say I wanted to reach 30. You can go up to 100. And I have no idea how to reach 30. So let's assume I didn't. It'll add the hints. It's taking away hints based on how useful the hint is. In this case, you're getting half the answer, so it's considered a very useful hint. And so now, if 30, that means without this, I have to hit 23, which means without that, I have to hit 11 and a half, which is a little odd, but let's see how that goes. Um, Now, let's just assume I have no idea what I'm doing, and I just want to wait it out. At the end, when the timer runs out, it will give me the answer, so I'll wait for that, and it'll also take me to the leaderboard, accomplishing 2 more things I want to show you. But at the same time, if you noticed before, the basic, because I answered them so fast, I got 60 points each, as long as you answer within the first 10 seconds. If I was to answer this question right now, it's at 14 seconds left, so I would only get 20 points, and that's how the scoring works. Hints, as I said, take away points as you move on, and once the timer runs out, it resets everything, it takes you to the leaderboard. Quitting allows you to go in between game modes, which is why you can rack up points in basic and then head to advanced to use them. Now this is how you would solve it. So I was wrong, but this gets you to 30, and then that just subtracts the 2 sevens. So that's a pretty smart way to go about it. Now you check out the leaderboard. I obviously was I made it not well, but I made it Adam 60, and then to show you in the file, Adam 60 got added as well. Thank you.